My name is André Antunes. I'm an associate professor at the Chinese State Key Laboratory of Lunar and Planetary Sciences, where I lead the Astrobiology Research Group. We are based at the Macau University of Science and Technology. I will be giving a seminar on the 21st of November, where I will provide an overview of some of the astrobiology research activities performed by my team. The big focus will be on the exploration of several different types of terrestrial analog sites, particularly deep-sea brines, but it will also include some information on some recent expeditions to hydrothermal vent sites, other high salinity locations, and the Antarctic. While the focus will be mostly on the discovery of new microbes and studying microbial diversity in such extreme settings and how they're able to cope and thrive under such extreme conditions, I'll also have a more applied component associated with it, and we'll be discussing how microbes can be helpful in helping to support and sustain human presence in space and future missions, namely via in situ resource utilization activities. On the other side, I'll also include some discussion on some of the new tools that were computer-based tools that we're developing over here in Macau that help us to navigate through the big sea of data that is generated on different types of microbes that are relevant for astrobiology, and how we can use these tools to help to find new research questions, new gaps in our knowledge, and help to foster new breakthroughs that are relevant in the field. Looking forward to seeing you on the 21st of November.